Hey there, and thanks for stopping by manlybands.com to check out some of our fantastic products. I happen to have one right in front of me. So if you have the time, let's jump in and check out what we like to call the Night Raven. I'm sure you're pretty interested after the way that I pronounce Night Raven, but patience, we'll get there soon enough. Inside, first of all, we have this beautiful card welcoming you to the Manly Bands movement. And inside of that beautiful card, there are some compliments, customer service information, and these wonderful pictograms telling you how to find us and tag us on social media. So get your band, tag it. We'd love to see a picture of it and of you. Inside, here we have it, the Night Raven. This is black zirconium, and it has 0.04 ethically sourced black diamonds halfway around with some 14 karat rose gold edges. It's got an 8mm flat design with stepped edges. Holy smokes, it's got just about everything. Now, it's very similar to one of our other bands called the Fitzgerald, except this just has a little bit more bling. And it has a super kick-ass name. I mean, the Night Raven has got to be some sort of superhero, right? Seeking justice and vengeance for murdered poets. As dangerous occupation as poetry is. Inside, we've also got this, which is our black silicone band, perfect for every occasion. And we've also got some special offers included in there of people that we like to partner with that we think will make you happy, because a happy you equals a happy us. So, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com and checking out the Night Raven.